How does nullable equals false work in SQLAlchemy? From SQLAlchemy docs. Nullable, if set to the default of true, indicates the column will be rendered as allowing null, else it's rendered as not null. This parameter is only used when issuing create table statements. I thought setting nullable equals true for a column basically made that column required. For example, however, when I create a location instance without a latitude field, I do not get an error. What is going on?
The doc you reference explains the issue. This parameter is only used when issuing create table statements. If you originally created your database without nullable equals false, or created it in some other way, separate from SQLAlchemy, without, not null, on that column, then your database column doesn't have that constraint information. This information lives in reference to the database column, not to a particular instance you are creating/inserting. Changing the SQLAlchemy table creation, without rebuilding your tables, means changes will not be reflected. As a link in a comment explains, SQLAlchemy is not doing the validation at that level. You would need to use the @validates decorator or some other such thing.
When you first created a location instance and committed it to the database, was nullable set to true? If so, SQLAlchemy will not allow you to subsequently reset the nullable parameter to false. You would have to migrate your database using Alembic.